Ever opened your iPad's camera and just seen black? Don't panic. It's usually a quick fix, and you probably don't need a new device. Here's how I get my iPad camera working again in minutes. First, force close the camera app. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the camera app and flick it up to close. Then, reopen it. Sometimes that's all it takes. Still seeing black? Try switching between the front and rear cameras by tapping the rotate icon. Weirdly, this wakes up the sensor a lot of the time. Also, make sure nothing is blocking the lens. Check your case, screen protector, or even magnets nearby. Flip through the camera modes, like photo, video, or square. Toggling those can refresh the viewfinder and kick the camera back into gear. If the quick tricks don't work, it's time for a force restart. For iPads without a home button, press and quickly release volume up, then volume down, then hold the top button until you see the Apple logo. Got a home button? Press and hold home and top together until the Apple logo pops up. This clears up system-level glitches without deleting any of your data. Now check your software. Head to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install anything waiting. If the camera's only black in certain apps, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and make sure those apps have permission. One rare issue? VoiceOver can sometimes mess with the camera. If you're using it, try turning it off in Accessibility Settings. For advanced troubleshooting, test the flashlight in Control Center. If it won't turn on, there might be a hardware problem. And as a last software resort, reset all settings in Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPad. Reset. Reset all settings. Your photos and apps won't be erased. If none of this works, and your screen is still black in every app, even after a factory reset, your camera might actually be damaged. Don't try to open your device. Contact Apple support for a proper fix. And just like that, your iPad camera should be ready for your next selfie or Zoom call.